Dear students, hope everyone is fine and enjoying good health. We have started our new chapter 11, Microbes and Diseases. We are continuing it. Listen to the lesson attentively and note down important points discussed. Dear students, here I am giving you a brief review of the previous lesson. We have studied previously about microorganisms and their types, microbes and their uses in sewage works, in making composts and in the food industry. The learning objectives of today's lesson are to understand harmful microbes, types of harmful microbes, harmful effects of microorganisms, diseases caused by bacteria, diseases caused by viruses, diseases caused by fungi. Students, we have studied about useful microbes. Now in this lesson, we will discuss their harmful effects in living organisms. Microorganisms are harmful in many ways. Some of them cause diseases in human beings, plants and animals. The disease-causing microbes are known as pathogens. Some microbes spoil food, clothes and leather. Here in this slide, you can view some pathogens. Dear students, harmful microorganisms can spoil our food, leather, clothing, etc. One another harmful effect of microorganisms is that they cause diseases in plants, animals and even human beings. Harmful microorganisms which cause disease are called as infectious agents. These are harmful in nature and are also called as pathogens. Dear students, in this slide you can view the different types of microbes and their effect in living organisms. Harmful microbes. Pathogens can be microorganisms which obtain nourishment from the host, e.g., bacteria, viruses, fungi, bacteria. They cause diseases like cholera, typhoid, tuberculosis, anthrax, pimples and peptic ulcers. Viruses. They cause the common cold, influenza, chickenpox, SARS, and AIDS. Fungi. They cause skin infections. Dear students, now we will discuss the harmful effects of microorganisms. Microorganisms show many harmful effects on us. Some of them are elucidated. Harmful microbes produce toxins to spoil our food, leading to food poisoning. Harmful microbes can spoil our leather and clothing. Harmful microbes cause diseases in humans, animals and plants. Dear students, here is the list of diseases caused by bacteria. Diseases caused by bacteria are diarrhea, whooping cough, pneumonia, tetanus, food poisoning. Dear students, in this slide you can view the bacteria of causing whooping cough and pneumonia. Whooping cough is a highly contagious disease of the respiratory tract caused by bacteria that live in the nose, mouth and throat. Pneumonia is an infection of lungs. If this infection affects both lungs, then it is called double pneumonia. You can view the shape of pneumonia-causing bacteria in the slide. Dear students, here we will discuss food poisoning caused by bacteria. Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce toxic substances. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. So, we must preserve food to prevent it from being spoiled. Dear students, next disease-causing microbe under discussion is the virus. Viruses are also microscopic. They, however, reproduce only inside the cells of the host organism, which may be a bacterium, plant or animal. Common infections like cold, influenza, flu, and most coughs are caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio and chickenpox are also caused by viruses. Dear students, in this slide you can view the different types of viruses and their shapes. HIV, hepatitis, Ebola virus, influenza virus, bacteriophage and adenovirus. Dear students, next microbe under discussion is fungi, athlete's foot, ringworm, and thrush are diseases caused by fungi. The fungi grows in warm, moist areas such as between your toes or inside the mouth. Athlete's foot can be very uncomfortable. Ringworm is a fungal infection of the skin. Dear students, in this slide you can view the different types of viruses and their shapes. HIV, hepatitis, Ebola virus, influenza virus, bacteriophage and adenovirus. Dear students, next microbe under discussion is fungi, athlete's foot, ringworm, and thrush are diseases caused by fungi. The fungi grows in warm, moist areas such as between your toes or inside the mouth. Athlete's foot can be very uncomfortable. Ringworm is a fungal infection of the skin. Dear students, in this slide you can view the athlete's foot infection. Athlete's foot is caused by a fungus that grows on or in the top layer of skin. Fungi, plural of fungus, grow best in warm, wet places such as the area between the toes. Athlete's foot can make your feet and the skin between your toes burn and itch. The skin may peel and crack. Dear students, the next disease caused by fungi is ringworm. What is ringworm? Ringworm is a common fungal skin infection otherwise known as tinea. Ringworm most commonly affects the skin on the body, the scalp, the feet or the groin. Dear students, it is the end of today's lesson. Your homework is: write the short question answers on notebook. What is an infection? Name 2 diseases caused by bacteria, virus, fungi. Complete the worksheet provided. Thanks and Allah Hafiz.